Alright guys, it is June the 8th, and what I'm doing is I've had a couple of questions about how to add your spun frames once you spin them back to your colonies, or set them out and let them be robbed out. I prefer to add them back to the colonies, that way they don't chew up all the wax, because if you set them out, it's a robbing frenzy. If you put it on a dedicated hive, it is cleanup. So what I do is I'm taking all my 8-frame supers and breaking them down into 5-frame boxes to go on some of these hives that need a little more room, that are 5-frame, as I'm doing queen rearing. But it's maybe 30 minutes before dark, and we're going to do an experiment. I am in shorts and a veil. I haven't had the first sting all afternoon out here doing this. I'm down to my last box. I thought, well, I might want to just go ahead and do a video. So, a little bit of smoke as you're pulling. I use Reflectix as you're pulling it back. Give them a little bit of smoke. Because like I said, it is night. It has rained today and it's overcast. But this bodes well for the genetic line that I run. They are not. Got one crawling up my leg. They are not mean, aggressive. As you saw, I'll show you around the front of these hives, because I just did the 2 on the other side, adding supers to the nukes. This one I just did happens to be in the process of requeening. Well, here I had to block. Sorry about that. But let's flip around, and you can see I added super to that one, a super to that one, a super to this one, to give these ladies more room to get inside the hive. Being this late in the year, mimosa is about the only thing left for them to really get a decent nectar flow off of. If they want to store it, they can store it. But that's it. I always do it right before dark. Like I said, looking up the sky, you can tell it's overcast, it's rained, got more rain on the way. Not the perfect time to be doing this for people with bees that aren't as gentle as these. Thanks for watching Woolly Bees. Like, share, and subscribe.